I think Adrian's been looking at the charts again. Yes, windy and wet today, sunshine and showers, a little bit of everything. Strong gusty winds, they'll be the main feature, and so much cooler, so much fresher than it has been. Temperatures nearly 10 degrees lower today than what we saw this time last week. Such a change out there. The strongest winds for the north and the west, first thing, already gusting up to 50 miles an hour along exposed coastal spots of the west. Frequent blustery showers, as you can see from the latest radar. No escape, really. Nasty downpours across the west of Scotland into the northwest of England, and a line of showery outbreaks extending from the Midlands down into the southwest. This will be working its way into the southeast over the next few hours. So windy and wet for most of us. The showers intense enough to give some hail and thunder at times through the north and the west. And believe it or not, it will be cold enough for some sleet and some snow across the highest ground of Scotland, across the mountain tops here. The first wintry weather of the season, really. Generally the best of the drier, brighter conditions to the east of the Pennines, to the southeast. And where the showers move through, there will be breaks in the cloud, but showers will be on and off, blustery showers all day. Showers merging to longer pulses of rain through central and western Scotland, then slipping down into northern England, eventually into the Midlands later. So a drenching here for a time. And to accompany those strong winds, well, gales for much of the afternoon through the likes of Northern Ireland, western Scotland, the northwest of England and West Wales. Maybe some disruption to ferry crossings and transport, those travelling on north to south routes, for example. Much cooler than it has been of late, just a measly 16 degrees at best. Further blustery showers to end the day, particularly for the Midlands and the west, elsewhere drier and a little clearer. It's not looking much better, actually, Adrian. It's not a good day for flimsy dresses, wigs, hats, blown inside brollies, that kind of thing. So I'd like you to avoid those things.
All right, I'll leave my wig at home then, definitely.
Yeah, so windy today, so different than it has been, so much cooler. I've got the forecast now. He didn't say no to the flimsy dress though, did he? Strong gusty winds for many of us today, really blowy out there. Do take care because it's really awful, really choppy waters around these coastlines, maybe some disruption to transport, damage to infrastructure, because we will see gale force winds in these zones as the day goes on, already gusting up to 50 to 55 miles an hour along exposed coasts and headlands of the northwest. With the windy weather, well, frequent blustery showers piling into the north and west, longer pulses of rain for Scotland and northern England, a drenching for the journey into work and to school, thoroughly miserable out there. A line of showery outbreaks from East Anglia down to the southwest, fading as they drift into the southeast. Away from the south, where there is a little cloud, where it stays drier, crisp blue skies. A really stunning start out there, but staying very windy. The heaviest downpours will be intense enough to give hail and thunder from time to time. Across the higher ground of Scotland, it will be cold enough for some sleet and snow across the mountain tops, the first wintry weather of the season up here. And with the strong gusty winds, those frequent blustery showers will be blowing in on and off as the day goes on, with some steadier rain slipping through central western Scotland into northern England through the course of the afternoon. The best chance of drier, clearer conditions to sheltered southern and eastern spots. Generally speaking, temperatures so much lower than they have been of late. Nearly 10 degrees lower than this time next week. Such a change out there. Feeling very much like autumn, just 16 degrees at best. Further blustery showers to end the day, staying windy for all of us.